Welcome my dear ethical hackers. In the previous video, we saw how we can spoof an email address and put virtually any email address. Now, how do I verify whether this email is genuine or fake? You might win a lucky draw, you might win a lottery, you might win a chance to go abroad, and so on and so forth. You might win a free iPhone or whatever. How do you determine whether this email is coming from the source that they are claiming to be? Let's see how we can do this. In this video, we are going to see how we can trace emails. So here we are, we'll go to the email that we just received. And let's see if that email is authentic or if that email is fake. Let's look at the email that we received here. Click on Show Source. And this is the whole thing. Just copy Control A and now verify whether it is genuine or fake. How do we verify that? What we will do is we will just open our tried and tested website. What is my IP address.com? We have been to this website earlier in the VPN and proxy class. Now here we are once again. Let's click on Tools. Let's go to Trace Email this time. Scroll down. It's asking you to provide the header that we copied earlier. Let's paste that header here and find email sender. And then it shows you from which email address it's really been sent. In simple words, it will be able to trace it back to its origins. And here you can see that it has been received from emkei.cz. And if the user types emkei.cz, they will find out that this is an online fake emailer. So this is definitely not an authentic source. This is how you can identify it. Not only can you identify it for this one, you can identify it even if you have got a Gmail. So let's say that you have Gmail and maybe you have something in spam. Unfortunately, I don't seem to be having anything in spam right now. But if you did, you could verify that. So let me see if I can just click on any one file over here and let us see if it is genuine or fake. So I'll just click on this one particular link and just click on the three dots, select Show Original. That's it. This is my header file. Copy to clipboard. It's easier on this platform. Okay, so this is how we do it in Gmail. We copy to clipboard. Let's go to whatismyipaddress.com. Go to Tools, Trace Email, scroll down and paste this thing here. Just click on Find Email Sender. And let us see if the origins of this email has been traced. And there you can see that this time it seems to be coming from so-and-so source. Here it is. The source IP address is so-and-so. Let's click on the source IP address. And it seems to be a public proxy server from the United States. It seems to be authentic. You can verify the authenticity of this particular thing in case there are any comments saying that this is illegal. But if it is the case, it will show you. If it is not, you can make out that this is definitely an authentic page, right? So that's how you can find out whether this email address is genuine or fake, or this particular IP address is genuine or fake. So this is how we can trace emails. See you in the next video.